A little scuffle go on between him and her out there the other day. Zane, we can't have that. It's a commercial business place. You understand?
Don't worry about it, man. Now make sure me give him a talk, you see? But Rankin, tell me something. What go on for the license for the cultivation so we can supply our own weed house?
I'm gonna give you a warm time with that king, man. Too much criteria to fill. You understand? So right now, we just have to focus on the distribution level of the thing. You understand? We just buy from who have weed already and make the thing just go and work. You see me?
But that's my problem. Because this thing I put in a hobbles, bro. We can't buy from local cultivators. So we are support some Canadian entities. And this is not good for our business. Why we can't cultivate our own hybrid and dispense it in our place? Come on now.
Don't worry yourself, king, man. We dip on it, man. More time you have to create before you walk, you know. Remember last year, this time, we never even knew so we got own a dispensary. You understand? With all bar. Just give time, man. You understand?
Yeah, man. But you know, say, on a big people level, though, Marcus Wallace, as fragile as him can be sometime, if him did in the sea, I'm sure we could have approach him and give him a reasoning. You understand? But this daily brother, man, I'm not sure we can even talk to him or trust him.
You sure you could have still talked to Wallace? You sure you not still carry girl feelings?
You know, there was one thing where Marcus Wallace did rate above even the most bougie girl there. You know what it was? Profit.
That's true. Oh, I mean, I wonder how me never get a call.
With that short, yeah, man. That's how we never get up on the phone. King, man. I deal with. Long time, yeah, I make a forward.
General, love how you make a surface. That is it.
That is it.
So I go on.
Butcher show me say him see a little player going over his studio the other day, you know, and he want to talk to you about it.
Play. Play over in studio. I think of music him a make. Me don't know him a play him a direct.
King, when the youth them come and studio part of the youth from over 21, but me I know the face there.
You know, so you're one of the third person that tell me about that. From like 21 start run loose again.
You know, so we are going to need to keep an eye on that, though. Because any coming and going we are going over there, we need to know who and we need to know how it goes. You understand? Because remember, say there's a fort at large, you know.
For real. You have to go check on that. Because from Scotch I gone over there just get loose.
If you want to make a circle over there, we can do that, you know. Scout out Two-Face and see what go on.
Nah, man. I don't want to deal with that. Me will sort that out. See? I want to deal with it for me, it's the bar and the weed house. That's what I want in the circle. See? I want to make sure it's the numbers and pimp him alright at all time.
And another thing me want to remember, you know, is that the two of them are a businessman now too, you know. So if you start look at the part.
Alright, my father. I deal with that. Give thanks.
Right, listen. Ranking.
Top ranking.
That's a fact.
Big up. Good to see you.
Yeah. The youth hold up goody king. One night time, I swear security dog come at him.
Why I did check some myself. But anyway, here we go on. You know me have them little match that I got deal with, so you don't know. Yeah? Ah, manners. Yeah, bless me.
Yes, PM. Sir, I understand, sir. But I had to make a judgment call. This man keep turning up to my office saying that he wants back the seat and all manner of evil. Yes, PM. I understand, sir. Yes, sir, but I'm really dealing with it. I promise you I'm trying my best to deal with it. I thought I had it under control until this man decided to use social media and just publish everything out there in the media. Yes, sir, PM. Sir, these rumors are coming from the very same agency that we are trying to shut down. Sir, remember that I'm not the only minister that they're trying to throw under the bus, you know, or create a scandal about, you know. Sir, I promise you, I'll deal with it. Sir, don't worry about it, I promise you. By this time tomorrow, the agency will be under the government control. I promise you about that. Yes, sir, Pierre. The Brissett woman will be coming in for a meeting shortly. Alright, sir. Mr. Walker?
Everything alright, sir?